Hello viewers, today we will see some common drawing symbols for the electronic components which are used in making electronic schematic diagram. This will include different types of resistors, capacitors, inductors, transistors, semiconductor devices, digital logic components. All these symbols are taken from either IEEE or IEC standards. In my previous video, I have also shown different symbols for different electrical components. So let's start with the power supply symbols. This one is a single cell DC battery. Next is multiple cells DC battery supply. Next, the DC voltage source represented by Vs. Next is DC current source. Next one is controlled voltage source. Next, the controlled current source. So the voltage and current is controlled by the another voltage or current sources, or you can say external sources. This is the most common symbol for the AC voltage source. Then comes the different types of resistors. So both these symbols are for the fixed resistors. So these two symbols are for the potentiometers. These two symbols are for the rheostat. This one is the trimmer resistor. So these two symbols are for the thermistors. Again, these two symbols are used for the fixed value capacitor. Next is the polarized capacitor, indicated by the positive sign on one side. And the last one is for the variable capacitor. Then we have three different types of inductors. The first is the open inductor. Next is the iron core inductor. And finally we have ferrite core inductor for the high frequency application. Next, we have different types of diodes. The first is the common semiconductor diode, Zener diode. Next, Schottky diode. Next is the most common symbol for the LED or the light emitting diode. And these two symbols are for the electrical ground. The first is the earth ground and this one is the chassis ground or the body ground. Next, we have symbols for the switch and different types of relays that are used in both electrical and electronic drawings. This one is the single pole single throw toggle switch. This one is the single pole double throw, in which we have normally closed and normally open contacts. Next is for the normally open push button. Next is for normally closed push button. So here we have a complete relay symbol, single pole single throw. Then we have single pole double throw relay. Next is double pole single throw relay. This one is the double pole double throw relay. This symbol is for the dip switch assembly, in which we have multiple switches attached in a single assembly. The next is the transistor symbols. This is for NPN bipolar transistor. The next is PNP bipolar transistor. Next is Darlington pair transistor. This is NJFET transistor. This one is the P channel DMOSFET transistor. This is N channel EMOSFET transistor. Next is P channel EMOSFET transistor. This is for the IGBT transistor. Next we have different types of photo devices like LED, the 7 segment. This is photodiode, solar cell, the photoresistor, simple indication lamp, and this we have optocoupler or opto isolator. And finally we have some digital logic symbols: NOR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Then we have SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D-type flip-flop, data latch. This is 4 to 1 multiplexer and this is 1 to 4 demultiplexer. I hope you like this video. For more interesting videos, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.